Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm covering a very simple topic, which is just making tomatoes? Taking cuttings from your tomatoes to grow new tomatoes. It's fairly simple. Basically, what you want to do is you want to trim off suckers from tomato plants. That will be branches coming out from the bottom of the main stem and plop them in some water. You don't need to add any sort of rooting hormone or anything. You just leave them in some water in a jar, and roots will start to sprout from those hairy little fibers on the main stems. I think I left these in for just over a week. As you can see, the plant stays nice and green and lush, and then a little over a week later, sometimes a couple of weeks, you get roots. And at this point, it is ready to plant. You can let it grow for longer and get really robust roots. I found that I didn't really need to, and I potted it up in an old coffee can, trying to make use of materials that I already had lying around rather than going out and buying yet another plastic container, just using an empty coffee can or something that you have. It's a little bit small. I was doing this to prove a point, prove how easy this is to do, but usually a tomato plant I'd want to plant in a slightly bigger container because I'm going to have to water this one a lot. But for our purposes here today, it will do the trick, and I feel fairly confident that I can keep this well watered so that it grows into a luscious tomato plant. If you need the bird's eye view of it, there it is in all its glory, and it's sitting outside as of today. It's growing happily in the sun, and I will perhaps post an update if I get some tomatoes off of it this year. But there you go. It's a super easy process to follow, and it's free tomato plants.